Hello, my name is Gabriel Cortez. I am a student of the Data Analytics course, Group 1 at the UNAD University. We developed this project with the engineer Raúl Olmos. We called this project How Data Analytics in Environment Monitoring of Air Quality Focus in the Mining Sector through IoT Technology. The purpose of this work is to show the process by which the analytic data acquired in a database can be done by making small Python codes in Google Colab. In this case, the analytic is related to air quality monitoring for areas of influence where mining work is carried out. In the specific case of the coal mining. The methodology used for this project has the following steps. First, choice of regional context. According to research carried out, which was adjusted to the environment and the use of the IoT technologies. Second, the definition and justification of the problem. Find the problem and justification in this case, the mining sector of the monitor air quality, observing the presence of particulate matter in the PM 1.0, PM 2.5, and PM 10 levels. The data acquisition through station in strategically located in the sites of interest. For this case in particular, we had difficulty in finding a database related to mining, so we used databases with monitor data of different points in the department of Risaralda. The implementation of data analysis. The implementation was making in Google Colab. In this case, in Google Colab, the database was loaded and the notebook was made based on the knowledge acquired in the practical component of the course. I will show the notebook in Google Colab. This is the notebook making for this project. Here is development of the notebook, where you can see the text and code cells, as well as the result obtained. You can also see the different ways of presenting the data in the form of tables or graph. Different graphs are presentation in these options. The information about the database and description of the data obtained. Average reference to a variable and variable. Average reference to a variable, as well as bar charts. In this case, the variables municipio and station. So, diagram bars in this case. My college engineer Raúl continues the presentation of the numerical data. As a cell assessment, we model learning to more about the Python codes to have more alternative for analyzing of data. We we liked the Google Colab tools to use in Python codes without having installed this program. This opportunity gives us alternatives to data analytics and to enter the world programming.
Greetings. My name is Raul Olmos, and like engineer Gabriel Cortez, I also did the exercise in Google Colab, initially creating the script for the analysis of air quality data downloaded in a CSV file. This project is important because pollution measure and PM10 and PM2.5 that is particularly smaller than 10 microns and those 2.5 micron respectively cause respiratory and cardiovascular disease. In this work, I was able to develop the following script. Open Google Colab and look at the following. Open the Google Colab. Open Notebook. Open File Air Quality Data V2. See here we made several scripts. For example, for example, here average value. You can see to the value uh, over 78 ppm. In this script, the result you can see Station Dos Quebradas, Station Pereira, Station Balalaika, the maximum value of pin 10 or maximum value for pin 2.5. I need to talk about the conclusions. The conclusions. In this written word, we can visualize a system that collects data through IoT networks and converts into valuable information to take action. Important. The Colab environment facilitates the execution of Python code without the need to install the program on the computer and facilitates the importance of library. Now, congratulations, um, the engineer Gabriel Cortez by this work. And for me, Raul Olmos, is very important developing this collaborative work. Thank you. Happy evening.